cooking for my family, for my friends. Always happy, always laughter. Let's get together for a meal tonight.
Cheesy stuffed onion rings. I use 2 different types of cheese. And if you want to know how I make them even more crunchier than normal, you have to hang around till the end of the video. And just to prove to you that these are crunchy, I'm going to take a bite into one now. I'm done. The ingredients are all ready. Very easy recipe, delicious recipe. So I'll put these away and I will start on the onions. And one not so beaten egg. I can't click. There you go. Done. It's magic. And the last thing, of course, will be the thyme. Fresh thyme, straight out of my herb garden. Oh, the smell of this stuff. Yum. So we'll mix all this together and then we'll add the milk. The milk goes in. And we'll mix this batter till it's nice and smooth and creamy. What we'll do now is we'll pair the rings and put the cheese in. Nice and cold. There we go, the onions have been paired. So what we'll do now is we'll grab the cheese and we'll stuff it in between the 2 layers of onion. Bit of a fiddly job, but I'll get back to you when it's done. The onion rings have been prepared. So what we'll do now is I'll dust them lightly in some flour. Give it another light, very light flouring. And again, just dip it in the batter. Make sure it's all covered. The onion rings have been crumbed in the batter and what have you. They're going to go in the fridge now, in the freezer, sorry, for half an hour. And when that comes out, we'll fry them and we're done. The onion rings have come out of the refrigerator or the freezer. They're nice and cold, so we'll start the frying process now. We'll get this oil very hot and we'll start frying them. How crunchy was that? So now that you've made it to the end of the movie, this is not a movie, it's not a movie. Now that you've made it to the end of, oh God, of this video, I'm serving it with some tomato, ketchup, sauce. The way I make it more crunchy, of course, is I cool the onion rings for 20 minutes, and then after I crumb them, I put them in the freezer for 20 minutes to half an hour. Then I fry them, but prior to frying them, I dip them in some more breadcrumbs, just a light covering of breadcrumbs, and then in they go, just prior to being fried. This method is actually called, there's a name for it, it's called flash freezing, and it works. It's not hard to do, it's quite easy, and I've shown you now what I do. The crunch is there, the flavour is there, very easy to make, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and till next time, bye for now. Cut.
Easy, delicious cooking for my family, for my friends. Always happy, always laughter. Let's get together for a meal tonight.